Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to view Safari browsing history. So if you want to view Safari browsing history, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Safari. From there you're gonna have to tap on this little book icon down there, tap on it, then right beside the bow or the Google or the glass icon, tap on this circle clock for you to be able to locate your browsing history. Then just scroll down. Then if there's a particular website that you notice that is missing, you can just go back to the settings for you to check or look for the particular website you want to have access to the history. So once you go to your settings, under the app section, tap on Safari. Okay, this Safari, tap on it, then scroll the road down, then click on advanced. So under advanced, tap on website data, then right here you can have access to all the website data. You can also tap on show all sites, then you can have access to the browsing history. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.